students, my name is Sumit Mehta. So today in this lecture, we will be discussing about scattering of light. Okay, so there are two phenomena based on scattering of light. One is Tyndall effect and the other is, so let me write, the first phenomena is Tyndall effect and the second is why is the color of the sky is blue? Why is the color of sky blue? So students, we will be discussing these two phenomena one by one. Okay, so let's discuss first about Tyndall effect. Okay, so as you all know that the Earth's atmosphere is a heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture means a mixture of a lot of elements. Okay, not a similar mixture, means in which a single element is there. Mixture of minute particles. Okay, so these particles include smoke, tiny water droplets, okay, suspended particles, of dust and molecule of air. Okay students, so when a beam of light strikes, so let's say here is the observer on the, it is Earth. Here is the observer standing on the Earth surface. Okay, here is the sun. So when a light coming from the sun, so these small particles or the particles of small water droplets, suspended particles of dust and molecule of air strikes such fine particles, the path of the beam becomes visible. So you will be able to see the from where the light is coming, means the path of the light. Okay, the light reaches us after being reflected diffusively by these particles. So let's say this is a small particle. So this particle diffuse the light. Okay, so it appears to us. Okay, let's say there is some particle, so we will see the light from here, and here is some particle another, so we will see the light is coming from here, but actually the light is coming from here. Okay, so the phenomena, this phenomenon of scattering of light, this phenomena of scattering of light by the colloidal particles give rise to Tyndall effect. So this is called as Tyndall effect. Okay, so when the light scatters in such a way that we can see the path from where it is coming, this phenomena is known as a Tyndall effect, students. So I hope that you guys are pretty clear. So if a particle is here and the light strikes, let's say it is coming from here and it is visible to us from here. Okay, so we can see easily the path from where the light is coming. So this phenomenon is called as Tyndall effects. So now let's move to why is the color of the sky blue. So students, now we are discussing about why is the color of the sky appears to us blue. So as you all know that in the atmosphere there are small molecules of air and other fine particles in the atmosphere have size smaller than the size of air molecules and other fine particles have size smaller than the wavelength of visible light. Okay, so these are more effective in scattering light of shorter wavelength at the blue end than light of. So as I have told you, when a white light is passed through prism, so it it splits into 7 colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Okay, so the wavelength of the blue light is less than the red light, and the red light, so let me write, the red light wavelength is equals to nearly 1.8 times the blue light wavelength. Okay, it means the shorter wavelength at the blue and then lighter wavelength at the red end. So thus when sunlight passes through the atmosphere, the fine particles in the air scatter the blue color. Okay, so when sunlight passes through the atmosphere, the fine particles in the air, the fine particles in the air scatter the blue color because of its small wavelength. Okay, blue color. So most strongly than red. The scattered blue light enters our eyes. So this scattered blue light enters our eyes. Okay, that is why the sun looks blue to sky looks blue to us. Okay, students. So the sky appears dark to passengers flying at very high altitude, as scattering is not very prominent in the high altitudes. Okay, so that is why if a person is in the surface and the person is flying in the plane, okay, so it appears more blue to the person at surface of earth, more blue to surface person than to in plane, more dark. Okay, so more dark means there will be less, so it will appears to be green, somewhat bluish green, so it will be darker color. Okay, students, so till far we have discussed about color of the sky is, why color of the sky is blue. Okay, so with this the chapter is end. Okay, students, and if you have still any doubt or any question based on this, then please do let me know. Okay, and I will be happy to help you guys there in the comment section. Thank you, students. Happy learning.